Ever noticed your skin looking dull as you age? You're not alone. But what's actually happening? Let's break it down. As we age, two main things happen that cause our skin to lose that youthful glow. First, our skin becomes less hydrated. The ability to retain moisture reduces, and here's why. Our skin contains a substance called ceramide, which makes up 50% of the epidermis. Ceramides hold water in the skin, but as we get older, the production of ceramides decreases. This leads to a reduction in the skin's water content, leaving it feeling drier and more prone to dullness. Another reason is slower skin cell turnover. When you're younger, it takes just about 5 days for new skin cells to reach the surface. By the time you're in your 40s or 50s, that process can take up to 60 days. Young skin has fresh, juicy cells coming to the surface quickly, giving it that smooth, radiant glow. But as we age, dead skin cells accumulate on top, causing the skin to look uneven and dull. It's like a blanket of dead cells blocking the shine. So how do we fix it? Let's start with skincare. First, gentle exfoliation is key. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and allows new ones to rise to the surface. Next, a good moisturizer helps lock in hydration and plumps up the skin, so it's not dry and tight. And don't forget SPF 50. Sun exposure damages your skin by creating free radicals that speed up aging, so sunscreen is a must every single day. Now let's talk ingredients. Vitamin A boosts cell turnover, helping to bring fresh, plump cells to the surface faster. Vitamin C is another essential ingredient. It fights free radicals, helping to protect your skin from oxidative stress that leads to premature aging. Together, these two powerhouses work wonders to bring your skin back to life. Good skincare doesn't stop at products. Your diet matters too. Make sure you're getting enough protein. Your skin is made of protein. Protein and hydration are crucial for skin health. And don't forget antioxidants. Blueberries, beets, and other colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and give your skin a fighting chance. Speaking of free radicals, sugar is a big culprit. It damages the collagen and elastin in your skin, making it less supple. So it's time to cut back on sugar and alcohol. Instead, hydrate. Water helps keep your skin looking fresh and full of life. Lastly, make sure you're properly cleansing your skin every night. Many of us are guilty of using makeup wipes or skipping this step entirely, but this is when your skin does most of its regenerating. Proper cleansing before bed ensures that your skin can repair and regenerate overnight, giving you that fresh, glowing complexion in the morning. So to sum it up, hydrate, exfoliate, protect with sunscreen, nourish with key ingredients like vitamin A and C, and eat a skin-friendly diet. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to glowing, youthful skin. If you want me to share some of the meals I make for my skin, let me know by commenting yes below. I'd love to help you take care of your skin from the inside out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on skincare and wellness. See you in the next video.